Go. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see how it fucking works. No, like this. Facing more downwards. Okay. Wet ass seat belt because somebody forgot to double check everything. That somebody being fucking me, the idiot, very smart individual. Okay. That was fun. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Okay, hell yeah. Okay, these roads. What the fuck? Why did it start to fuck up all of a sudden? Just out of fucking nowhere it started to fuck up. Holy fuck. It like started to fuck up a lot. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. I'm taking the fun way home, man. Oh, this is fun. Oh my god. Okay. It is no longer as foggy as it was. We are good, yes. Bro, this car drifts so easily, what the fuck? Oh, I hope you can see what the fuck I'm doing, because this is funny. It's funny how fucking easy it is to drift this piece of shit. What the fuck? Oh my god, this is awesome. This is so fun. Holy shit. I hope no cops catch me right now, man. It's just a Corolla, bro. It's just a Corolla. Oh my god. This is the most fun car I've ever had. Oh. Like, bro, this roundabout is gonna be easy. Easy as pie, as people say. Hell yeah. Let's do this whole roundabout and turn around with it. This is so fun. Oh my god, I love it. I love rainy conditions. Just look at this shit, Okay. You're just driving. This car is so funny. Oh, I love it. Now just turn around and get the fuck out of here. My tires are hot as shit right now because I cannot not spin. It's funny. Okay. Also, there's a police station right there if you want to see. That's the police station right there. You can see all the police cars. Oh, they're all out. Happy. It's 8 in the morning. I am a fucking menace to the streets. Oh, this is funny. It's still recording, yeah. Oh my god. I spun out. It was a little tiniest bit embarrassing that I spun out over there. But it's okay. Who can prove it that this car it's a drift missile, bro? Who will prove it? It's a Corolla! Bro, I would be like, what? What the fuck do you mean, bro? This is not a drift car. Oh wait, I have it registered as a competition drift car legally. Oops. Oh fuck it. I'll do a burnout. Wait. Oh, it's so easy to drift this thing. This is probably the easiest car to drift. You just, bro, if I welded the diff on this, it would be so much easier. Holy fuck, bro. It would be insane how easy it is to drift it. Oh, like, I don't know. Next roundabout coming up. Visibility not too bad, honestly. I put on like the super max lens on it, so it's like some special edition lens that is like, you know, like the fucking field of view is insane on it, apparently. And like from what I can see on the when I put it on and I was fucking around with the camera at work, honestly, yeah, the field of view is very good. I have not too much battery because I have a screen here. I hope you can see this. There's a screen over here, and yeah, it shows me the battery, how much I have been recording, and what the camera sees, how much space, storage I have, everything basically. You can look at it like this. I don't know if you can see it, but whatever, doesn't matter really. Yeah, I'm just trying to not finish all the space on the camera, and because fucking hell, I just realized I'm recording at like the fucking 60 FPS, and it's the resolution is the one below 4K, which is what, 2.7K or whatever the fuck was it named. So yeah, it's very high resolution and 60 FPS, so it's not optimal for this type of. Oh fuck, look at the traffic on this road, by this roundabout. I don't think I can drift this one. No, I don't think so. I should not be risking it. Did I just wait, did I see that car just drift? What? I don't know. I think I wanna replay that. It's impossible to drift right now, bro. Not that roundabout. It's way too much traffic. Way too much. Hell yeah, bro. Like this car, it's so fucking just so good. This is such a good car, bro. It's also funny for people to see just a Corolla just drift in front of you, you know. It's unusual, very obviously unusual. I keep checking the screen for my battery and storage. Storage is good. I have like what? I think this is a 500 gigabytes memory card on it. Just the battery life is, because the camera itself is getting really hot, you know. So I hope it does not overheat and die. Okay, the battery is about to die. So yeah, I am close to my house anyway, so it's not too much of a problem right now. Wait. Should I? Ah, fuck it, yes. No, it doesn't like it. It doesn't like the uphill corner. It doesn't really like it. It just one wheel peels. I need to weld the diff 100%. This is just open diff right now for fun, for testing purposes. Okay, this one is gonna be easy. Look. Ah, for fuck's sake. I couldn't get it to whip out because, okay, I had the tires on the front, dry rot and bolt, and the rear tires also dry rot and bolt. not so bald, but they're all old. What I'm trying to say, and yeah, it's not much grip on the tires at all, not at all. And the thing is, it would probably be much better at handling if the front tires were better, but the front tires are shit. And also, if the fucking diff would be welded, then it would be perfect, you know, but the diff is not welded, it's open diff right now. I don't have money to buy differential gear oil, so I'm not gonna be welding it unless I'm gonna be able to afford differential oil. Plus the clutch is not the best, and okay, not the best clutch, and also the fact that I'm pretty sure my transmission is leaking oil, or at least very critically low on oil. Fuck it, let's go. I've never been able to drift this one because open diff, and also this is such a huge turn, you know, I need a lot of speed. Yeah, I'm doing 80, you know, I cannot whip it. The suspension is way too soft, there's no way it's gonna want to do it. So yeah, anyways, no more content, except I'll do a quick burnout for you guys, because yeah, I need an excuse to buy tires. Look. Nope. Oh, it doesn't want to go into second gear to do burnouts. Okay, wait. Nope. Ah, toasty clutch. Oh. You smell that? That's the toasty clutch smell. So, yeah, I'm sick with COVID, but I have I'm bored as fuck. I'm not gonna be staying at home in my warm room when I can have a warm room on wheels. Well, obviously, it's raining. It's pretty obvious that it's raining. Well, we're gonna go out for a small drifting event by ourselves. Yes. Okay. I don't know how visible this stuff will be. I hope it's gonna be visible enough. Wait, what if I turn on the light? It doesn't change nothing, bro. Alright, let's just... Alright, COVID drifting time! Hell yeah! Woo! Oh, whoa, there's a lot of traffic down there. That's crazy, dog. Yeah, I'm still recording. Just gotta figure out which parts are gonna be the ones that are interesting. It's gonna be a lot of editing. This is the first video I'm filming for that is supposed to be, you know, drifting and stuff. So I cannot promise the best quality, you know. Come on. Nope. Nope. But yeah, I cannot promise high quality from the video because this is the first time I tried to do it like this. Woo! Oh, look at this BMW, he's gonna fucking die. Oh, what a fucking loser. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, it's a taxi. Fucking noob. Noob taxi. It's getting quite hot in here because I have the temperature all the way up because my car leaks a lot of coolant. So you know, it leaks coolant. So, or no, just bad head gasket, I think. So yeah, this is too tight. Not too tight even. Never mind. Let's go to somewhere better. It was interesting though. Oh shit, wait, there's some kind of a car over there. I gotta get dipping away from here because that might be a cop. Woo! Is that a cop? I can't really tell, honestly. Like half of the streetlights in Reykjavik are off. So I don't know why they're off, but just half of the streetlights don't even fucking work. So I hope your visibility is good enough. I can turn on the lights so I can see the interior, but there's nothing fun to be looking at in the interior. So I hope everything is audible, everything is visible. I'm not so sure about the visibility part, but I know definitely everything is audible. But yeah, there's lights here, but there weren't lights 1 kilometer before. Like it's so weird that there's no lights and then there is lights and shit. It's so weird. But okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera for now because there's not gonna be any drifting coming soon. Okay, I'm gonna try something I have never ever tried before. This is the biggest roundabout in Iceland, and I have never ever tried to hit it on this car. So yeah, we'll see. I've hit it on multiple other cars, but not on this one. So yeah, let's see how it goes. This guy. Let's see, wait. It's quite hard to control. One wheel feels a lot. Oh yeah, by the way, it's open diff. Yeah, it one wheel peels out a lot. Alright. It's not too bad, honestly. It would be better if I had a lock diff, because then I could easily do this. Because the reason why I got this car, why I'm drifting this car, is all thanks to my best friend. He had a Corolla, and he got this wild idea to make a front wheel drive automatic 1.6 into a all-wheel drive manual 1.8, and then he decided, hey man, let me just remove the front axles and weld the diff, or the center differential. Holy fuck. Most fun car I've ever fucking driven. But yeah, it's not too bad, honestly. But yeah, he gave me this idea, so I bought a four-wheel drive Corolla. So yeah, I bought a four-wheel drive Corolla and decided to fuck around and find out, because okay, I already learned from my friend how to make the rear-wheel drive. But on this Corolla that I have, it's even easier, because what he had to do is weld the center differential locker in place because it was stuck unlocked or unopened, because it's vacuum operated, and yeah, and he didn't have the button, he didn't have the controller for it. This one, however, does. Here's the center differential lock button. I hope you can see it. I don't think so. And you can see in the dashboard, center diff lock. If I unlock it, I won't be able to drive the car, because then the front axle will spin. So right now I'm getting like the power to the back wheels. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and show you around the car, show you how it looks, because it is interesting to see a Corolla, a car that is supposed to be front wheel drive, fucking sending it like this. That's not often that you see this shit happen. But anyways, let me show you around the car. This is the machine, man. This is my machine, bro. Okay, so this is my machine. Oh, let me just fucking remove the GoPro. I'll film it for you. All right. So this is my shit box. It drifts. It's just like it's just the base model for the drive Corolla. And yeah, as you can see, nothing has been changed to it. It's the stock engine. It's just a bad head gasket. But yeah, this is the car. It's pretty good. But yeah, it's just a typical shit box with a surprise. So yeah, alright, let's find something to do. Okay, so basically, I hope everything is visible. I'm just so stressed about it. I have like a special lens for the GoPro. Oh yeah, sorry. I just get quiet when I'm start the gym because I just focus. But yeah, I have a special lens for the GoPro. It's called Max lens. It basically creates makes the field of view much wider, like almost 180 degrees. I think it was like 160, 140, something like that. And it like just makes the field of view so much wider. It's like insanely wide. But yeah, I'm gonna hit this turn. Come on. I can't. 80 horsepower isn't enough. The reason why I'm saying 80, yeah, this engine is supposed to be 100, but I have a bad head gasket, and the spark plugs are not the best, and I don't have money to be fixing those things. So yeah, I think it's about 80 horsepower, so it's really slow, really weak. But hey, what matters is I have fun with this car, and I can fix the engine at some point in life. So yeah, alright, next. So now we're gonna take every single roundabout we can take. There's gonna be a lot of roundabouts on the way downtown. I think there's 4 roundabouts up ahead. We're gonna take every one of the roundabouts. I don't know how it will go, but let's fuck around and find out. By the way, there's a police station by one of the roundabouts, but who cares? This is Iceland. The cops don't give a fuck. They don't do anything really. So yeah. Okay, roundabout numero uno. Let's take this one. Alright, no cops, we good? Yeah, we good. We good. Alright, let's hit it. Not too bad. However, it is weak as shit, this car. I need to weld the diff. It one wheel peels like there's no fucking tomorrow. I'm thinking of increasing tire pressure in the rear left too, because I know damn well I'm gonna be taking a few roundabouts. Like this. Oh fuck. But yeah, I'm maybe gonna increase tire pressure a little bit. I'm not so sure though, because this is pretty fine so far. It's just some of the roundabouts are more grippy than the others. This roundabout I'm not gonna do because there's literally a police station right here. I'll just drive up to the police cars just to show you. If there are any. But yeah, this is the police station. It doesn't look like there's any police, but this is the police station. Oh, here's a secret undercover police car. There's one closing up over there, and there's one police car. We got some police cars. I'm not gonna be doing any donuts or drifts or anything in front of a police building. I'm not that stupid. I am tempted to do it though. I will go ahead and buy myself a cup of hot chocolate so I can enjoy my life. Alright, time to buy myself a cup of hot chocolate and then fuck out of here. Go downtown or something. Okay, so there's one thing I never thought about. This guy doesn't have any this car doesn't have any cup holders, so I have to drink this alone. No, I have to finish it now, or be driving with one hand and the other hand has to be holding the hot chocolate. Okay, time to practice some parking lot drifting. See if that happens well. Oh, this one is grippy. Wow, it's difficult. Right, let me fucking put my phone down. Wait. Let's see. Alright, let's take a break. Yeah, my belt just gave out. Hey, I'm not the only one. Oh, this is some legendary shit. Wait a fucking second. Wait, listen. Listen. The valves are making noise. Nope. Yep. It's knocked on startup as well. Listen. Wait. Not fun. Not fun at all. Go. Oh no. Oh no. I see glitter, kurwa. I see glitter. Glitter? Oh my god, this is glitter. The fuck is this? I don't know. Oh, kurwa. off.